Hello traders, welcome to Forex Trading Wizard Academy. In this channel, every day I provide complete breakdown of hottest Forex currency pair based on price action trading system to help you to find the best possible trading setup. Let me introduce myself. My name is Neza. I'm a professional Forex trader and also author at TradingView, founder of Forex Trading Wizard Academy. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing and also press the bell notification button so that you don't miss out any of the content that I release almost every day, including tutorial, educational content and strategies. With that said, let's jump onto the chart to see what currency pair we are covering today. What's up traders? So let's do a full breakdown of gold, how we can find a trading opportunity in this instrument. Now first let's start with the monthly time frame, because monthly is where you can see the clear picture of the direction of the market. So starting with the monthly, as I in my quite a few analysis I mentioned that gold has retraced up to 50% and it's gonna move down, and there is a lot of trader trapped here, but the market has done exactly the way I have analyzed. Quite a few analysis I made. I will link all of this below. You can see step by step exactly the way I mentioned. So now what we see that the gold has returned to the bottom. So on the monthly, let's see again that Fibonacci level. If you take this for this move to the high to the low, what we see, the gold has rejected from 50% Fibonacci level on the monthly, creating a lower high. So we can expect this level to retain. Now going down to the weekly time frame, what kind of situation we see. Now on the weekly we have clear picture. What do you see? The weekly, it has created a double top at 50% Fibonacci on the monthly. Look at this double top here. So this, if you consider this move, green move is one leg, and with this red coming down, with this green went up, and with this red came down. So it has created a double top at 50% monthly, 50% Fibonacci level. What does it mean? When you see a double top in important level of a structure, is a sign of trend change. With that said, we can expect that gold started its global downward trend from this zone with this big bearish candle. Now previous week we saw that the gold has broken to the downside. Now the weekly candle that we see, in fact, broke all the level above. Now let's see where it might come. Now before we see it might come, let's draw this trend line here. So this, the next, we can expect a couple of scenarios to happen. So let's draw all the trend line and the level. Now this trend line, basically, if you see, there is a strong level of support here for gold connecting this line and this red candle. If you see, there is a big move. There is only one red candle which is not related to the move. We can expect this one as a, we can consider this one as a strong level of support. So we see that gold in fact has broken all this level and closed back below. So this is the point. We can draw the trend line, and also there are back to back to green candle without any wick. They also acted as a strong level of support. Now what do we see, that gold has broken all this level and closed back below. Now at this point, what we can expect? Do you think that the gold will move to down directly from here, or it will go for retracement and will move down? Now it will depend on situation. Let's first consider all the possible scenario. Now this is the first scenario that we can have drawn the trend line. Now let's see, if gold went for weekly retracement, then how much we can expect. Take your Fibonacci from the starting of the move to the end of the move up for the previous week. What do we see? This neckline, if you draw this is a 30 to 50% Fibonacci level. This zone is. Now why we have drawn this zone is because if you see that weekly double top, so this is the double top, and when you see a double top, in most cases you can expect this price to test this previous support as a resistance before moving to the downside. In that sense, we can may have another test here, this zone, and to move down. Now, why we have drawn this trend line? So what other possible scenario I will explain. Let's go down to the daily time frame to explain further. Now what we might see is, if you see, this is the trend line and this is zone where the neckline is. So what we might see on the new trading week is a little bit of consolidation, testing this trend line and even testing this one here and moving to the downside. This is one possible scenario. Another possible scenario is a straight moving down from here. Now, which is likely to happen? Now, listen, no one can predict the market with 100% accuracy. If someone say that, okay, this gold will move straight from here or straight from here, there is a little bit of possibility of losing money, because trading is not 100%. Trading is always about current price action pattern. So what do I mean by that? Let me give you an example. Say for example, this is 4-hour chart, right? Now if you see on the first hour of the trading week that it has created a candle like this, went above, tested this trend line, and then created a wick like this, big wick, and then closed below with a body like this. So what does it mean? If you see a candle like that, that means it is likely continue its downtrend and you can straight take a short trade from here. On the other hand, if we see on the new trading week that gold has created a candle from here, a straight green candle above, with a big body like that and a bit smaller wick on the top. So what does it mean? It means that gold is going for a deeper retracement, or maybe even going above to create test this level as well. So that's why you can't say straight away that gold will go from here to the upside or from here to the downside. It depends on price action pattern. So what we will be doing with our student is basically we'll be waiting, we'll be watching our price action pattern in this zone to see either it is falling down or it is going for a further retracement. Basically, this is the zone that we will be watching our price action pattern to test this neckline or to test this trend line to take this move to the downside. I hope that you found value in this analysis. Then smash the like button and also leave a comment, because if you leave a comment and like it, like this idea, that you are helping others to watch this idea more and more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next analysis.